First question says, if AB plus BC is equal to 19 and BC plus AC is equal to 91, where AB and C are natural numbers, then the maximum possible value of 3ABC minus 1 is. So we are given AB plus BC is equal to 19. So I can write this expression as, I can take B as common, B into A plus C is equal to 19. And I can only write 19 as a product of two numbers as 1 into 19, because 19 is a prime number, so it can be factorized as 1 into 19. From here we can say A plus B, as A, B and C are natural numbers, so sum of two natural numbers cannot be equal to 1. It has to be more than 1 always. So from here I can say B is mandatorily 1 and A plus C is 19. Now second, also we are given BC plus AC is equal to 91. Okay, I can take C as common, C into B plus A is equal to 91. Now from here I can write B as 1, so C into 1 plus A is equal to 91. And now I can factorize 91, or I can write 91 as a product of two numbers as 1 into 91, also 7 into 13. Now I have to consider both these cases. From first, I cannot write 1 plus A as 1, it will be greater than 1, so I can take C as 1. Let's see C as 1. In that case A plus 1 becomes 91, or from here I get A as 91, which is not correct, because A plus C should give me 90. Sum of A plus B should be equal to 90. But here I am getting A as 90, sorry, this is 90, which cannot be equal to 90. So I have to rule out this case, this is not possible. From here, from the second case, I have to make cases. First, let's consider when C is 7. If C is 7, 1 plus A is 13. This is the first case. 1 plus A is 13, I get A as 12. Is it satisfying this condition? Yes, 7 and 12 becomes 19. So from this case, I can write A as 12, B is already 1 and C is 7. Second case, from here, I can also write C as 13, and from here 1 plus A becomes 7. From here A becomes 6. 13 plus 6 again becomes 19, which is correct. So second case, A is 16 and B is 1 and C becomes 13. Now what is asked? Then the maximum possible value of 3ABC minus 1. So I have to maximize the value of A into B into C. So in both these cases I am writing product A into B into C. From here I get 84, 12 into 7, and in this case I get A into B into C as 78. So which is greatest? 84. So I have to consider this case when A is 12, B is 1, C is 7. So I have to find the value of 3ABC. So 3ABC minus 1 becomes 3 into 84 minus 1. 84 into 3, 240 plus 12, 252 minus 1, which becomes 251. So the correct answer to this question is 251. Maximum value of this expression is 251.